With CSS, the key to creating a semi-transparent background is to use RGBA, and the reason is because if you simply use opacity, the entire element is kind of faded, and that's not usually what you want. So for example, on the left, you can see here that I've used opacity, and what happens is the entire element gets faded. So even the text gets faded. But what I want is I want the background to be faded, but I want the text to still have 100% opacity. So on the right side, what I'm doing is I'm using the background color and setting it to RGBA. And by using RGBA, I can set, first of all, the color of the background, and then the last value is the transparency. So here I've got it set to 0.25, but if I change it to 5, you'll see it changes a little bit. What if I change it to, let's say, 9? And you can see it's barely transparent, but you can still see the red box behind it kind of poking through. So the point is that the element has transparency that's reduced. It's not 1, but the text remains 100% opacity. So once again, I'll change this to say 3, and we can see the background is quite faded, but the text remains 100% opacity. So the key to doing that is using RGBA and using the last value that you pass to RGBA as the transparency value. And a lower number, like say 0.2, will make it very transparent, and a higher number, like for example 0.9, will make it barely transparent, and you can control that as you need to.